price PCE index. Let me make sure that we only got like a minute left. Go down to the 5 minute. Start at the hour. Oh yeah, huge rejection at the 1 hour. I like that. Go down to the 5 minute. Ooh, that's a huge pump. The 5 minute, but let's see if a rejection occurs right here. Let me see something real quick. Oh, it looks like it's coming up to that daily R2S again. Right? The way it's pumping up. Well, let's see if it gets a reject up here again at the daily R2S. Let's see. Whoa. Damn, big cells. Alright, I put a sell in right now. But I don't know if it's going to go the way we want it to all the way. Because look at where it's at right here on the 15 minute. But I'm already in there. Let's see what's what. It's pushing a little bit, but it has to break this level right here. See how it's not breaking it? That's something I don't like. We're not seeing the biggest move. I mean, we did see a big move right here, so I'm not going to lie. What is this? Got in too late, though. 320. Oh, that's a 200 pip drop right there. So we just got in late. Super late. I don't know how I got in that late. Let me show you guys where I'm in at. Shit, like right here. Damn, that shit's about to take my ass out. My positioning will obviously be just above here. Damn, even that's too much, huh? Yeah, I got a terrible entry in right now. You see where it's kind of freezing up right here? That's what I don't like. But we'll see right now. I'm going to probably exit some of my lower positions. Close that. Close two of my lowest positions. Close one of these lower ones. Alright, I got one position left. I'm going to go ahead and move that to break even. Oh shit, I didn't even notice how much I closed out. I added a position up top, just about right here-ish. Yeah, that was a terrible risk to reward ratio on those other ones though. These ones at least have a better shot. Come down to this area right here. Stops just above. I mean, I like the way it looks, but I hope it doesn't come all the way back up on us, right? But I like this area right here. Support, resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance. So it's this whole area, but you never know. Hopefully it falls off right here. That's why I pulled a bunch of my profits at this zone right here. I didn't like how low that I got in on this other position. So you can see, like, if I stayed in up here, then I would have been fucked. Yeah, I have this line right here at 209, and you can see it's being respected right here, which I don't like before open. Um, just because, I mean, I got my stops at break even, so if it takes me out, it takes me out. Um, what was I gonna do right here? What was I gonna do? Oh, yeah, Forex calendar. Okay, so this isn't good, right? Differs from core CPI in that it only measures goods and services targeted towards and consumed by individuals. Prices are weighted in total expenditure per item. Okay, yeah, so this isn't good because we want inflation to go down. We'll see what's what. See if we can get this thing there. If we get another rejection right here, then we know we probably got to get out. But we'll see right now. Man, I wish I got in when I needed to get in. That's crazy. I did it. I meant it. It's hard to say what it's going to do right now. I mean, clear rejection right here at the 5 minute, right? Clear rejection right here at the daily R2S, right? Honestly, I'm kind of thinking I should just close it, but we'll see. If it comes all the way back up on me, then fuck. Which it looks like it wants to. Maybe it's waiting for New York Open to come back up here, retest and come. We've still got 2 minutes left, but we would need this thing to really fall, right? We would need it to come down a lot more, give us this, but you know, there's not a lot of volatility. Maybe the news wasn't as big today. Um, I mean, it's a red folder, but I don't know what this shit means. I like it to wick down and come down here this last minute. I'd like for it to come down. Let's see what the 1 minute's doing. If any rejections here. Okay. If we could get it down to match this one, like that would be great, but it has to stay like this. It has to be greater than this one, which is good. Now we need this one to follow suit because what we could see is just, you see how these stacked up right here? And you can see these stack up using this as support, right? So we got to see a breakthrough here because if this matches up again, then we could just have them start stacking, right? Take us out of our trade. See how it's doing that? I don't necessarily like that. So it comes down right here. Because this is going to be the last candle of the 5 minute, right? So we want it to come down. Because if we could get it down here, then we know that it's going to respect 20 EA. I don't like that. Let's see how the 5 minute finished. Yeah, so you could stack up, pull up right here. Or comes up. Hopefully it doesn't break this wick, right? Doesn't break this wick. Comes up a little and then falls. Gives us the next bearish candle to the downside. But what scares me is this big old wick right here coming out of this support area. Right? Support, support, resistance, support. So that should have been another key area for me to look at. But you know, probably even stronger than this one, right? But see if we could get that to do that. Wick up, come back down. That's beautiful, right? I think I'm gonna take some more profits coming up pretty soon. Man, this area at 209 got respected again. 1 minute just finished, didn't finish in our favor. Looks like it could stack up, so I don't know. I think I should probably take some profits. I just took a point zero 0.01 out of the point zero 0.05 that I had in there. That put me at 750 for the day. I got 250 floating. I probably should just close this shit. Get my little rack for the day. Damn, and there it goes. And that's why those bottom positions that, so like one thing that I like to do, see if anybody's even on this bitch. Nobody's even on. I mean, if whoever sees this, what I like to do is I like to see, well, depending on my position where I get in, right? If all the confirmations are here, we had the rejection at the daily R2S, we had the retest of the R2S, big pushes down to the downside, right? You can see these big impulsive pushes to the downside that are basically giving us the confirmation that price wants to come down, right? So our bias is there, but the one thing that's messing us up from our bias is our, oh, I just got stopped out. I think I'll call it a day right there. Um, I mean, I think it should still come down. It might use this as resistance now, right? This whole area. So, I think it was like 80 pips or something. I might be down to wait for open, but this thing's pretty much flying up right now, right? Maybe a break of structure could be possible. But now I think we've seen that I mean, the volatility is there, it's moving, but either way, you can see that basically a big impulsive push down, big impulsive push up, big rejections off of this area. So it kind of looks like, you know, it might be coming up. Nas followed suit, but this is in the daily R2S, right? Like this is the daily. But I will say this, it broke structure here for sure, right? this low broke below this low. So we might see another rejection up here. And then here, this low didn't break below this low, right? But you can see it rejecting down already. So I think at open, we could see a retest up here. Price come back down. Very possible. But now it's on top of this, so you got to be careful with that, right? Yeah, bad risk to reward ratio, especially on this first trade, even both of these trades, right? But just knowing the situation, okay, we're not seeing, okay, we've seen the volatility in the first minute, right? Or the first 3 minutes at 533, but outside of that, it's been relatively, quiet. These moves are moving up, but very slowly and, effortlessly to the top. So I think that's the biggest thing, but you can see that it's making that move back possibly up to here, and at 630 we might be able to take that trade. So if I see that it's clear and it's up here and I'm willing to take another trade at this R2S zone, then I'll be willing to, right? Because we have multiple rejections right here. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for hopping on with me. I think I will hop on at 6:30 and we'll get it from there, okay? Um, but yeah, I think 6:30 I will hop on and then we'll go from there. So appreciate you guys for hopping on. Thank you.